All right, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at 7 shopping secrets from Costco, 7 tips that can save you extra money. And 2 of these tips, you don't even have to be a member of Costco, so if you're not a member yet, check this out as well. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you can check out as well. Stuff like money making apps like these videos here, check those out. Cryptocurrency apps like such. And if you're interested in making some money online, please do check out my #1 recommendation. There's a link in the video description below here as well. You can check that out right there. And also, please leave some of your own tips down for Costco down below if you're a member. And also, please let me know some of your favorite Kirkland brands that you use that you buy at Costco as well. Drop those in the comments below. Smash the like button, and let's get right into this. Okay, so shopping secret #1, the pricing. So if something ends in 99, it's pretty much the standard price of the Costco item. However, you can see some of the prices end in 97 cents with asterisk as well. And this typically means that it's a discontinued item and won't be reordered once it sells out. And it's probably going to be a good bargain price deal as well. A price tag ending in 88 cents is typically an item that is being liquidated, and it's usually just at local stores. You can see that typically at your local store. So that's a discount, usually going to be a discount price as well. They want to clear those out, make room for other stuff in the inventory. Now, items ending in 49 cents, 79 cents, 89 cents can be a sign that Costco got a special deal from the manufacturer, and it's mean to be a very low price for you. So that's another thing to look out for. So that is secret #1. And before we move into secret #2, I just want to make a note about that pricing as well. These rules do not apply to the Kirkland signature brand of Costco. There's all kind of different prices for this stuff and with different endings. These rules that I just said, not really rules, are just things to look out for. They do not apply to the Kirkland brand. Okay, so secret #2, when you go into Costco and they have those free samples of food and stuff like that, that is usually a higher priced item. They get you to taste it, you buy it. All right. Secret #3, the Costco Pharmacy. You could do prescriptions by mail and get discounts and everything else like that. You do not need to be a member at Costco to use their pharmacy. Another really cool tip for you. Most people probably don't know that if they're not a member. All right, so shopping secret #4, the Costco shop card. If you are not a member and you know someone that is, you could have them buy you a shop card to see if you want to test out Costco, because you can use it, but the member has to buy it. So this is another really cool tip. If you're not a member, have someone buy you the card or give them the money to buy the card. You know, get up to $2,000 starting at $25, and then you can go to Costco and use the Costco I can't even talk. The Costco shop card, and then you can see if you want to become a member that way. So check that one out as well. All right. So for the next secret here, if you go into Costco, most of the stores have all their best deals in the center aisles here. So check that out. Indeed, check it out. All right, secret #6. So if you're a member of Costco, you always get these flyers in the mail with all these coupons and such, but you always want to check when you go to the store to see if there's any additional coupons that you don't have. You can ask any of the sales representatives, stuff like that. Sometimes there's other deals going on that aren't advertised on these. So check that one out as well. And for #7, I would say another shopping tip is warehouse days. Now, they always have warehouse days. You know, typically the weekends are very busy, but there's other days of the week where they have the special deals and stuff like that going on as well. When you're there at the store, just ask, people that work there. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for the 7 secrets right now. Please do leave some extra ones in the comments below if you have any. Let me know your favorite Kirkland brand products as well. Please do subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch of videos about making money online, saving money and such. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.